Everybody, happy April. I am back with a brand new Bruce book and a brand new puppy. And this is Henry, who is not looking at the camera, but he is Charlie and Murphy's new friend. And so you'll be seeing him in a bunch of our stories, I'm sure, coming up. So, are you ready to find out what this brand new Bruce book is all about? Are you ready? Okay. This one is Bruce Saves the Planet, and it's written by Ryan T. Higgins, and we want to thank him for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, what does this look like? It says Fume Corp, Factory and Waste Production Facility. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good, does it? Bruce Saves the Planet. Bruce was a bear who liked to be by himself, which wasn't easy as the mom of 4 geese and 3 mice. So every once in a while, Bruce would pack a lunch and ride out to find a stream to fish in. There he would spend a day filled with peace and quiet. But this was not going to be one of those days. See those animals? They've got signs. Hi, Bruce. Are you here to join our protest and help us save the planet? Bruce did not like crowds, but he wasn't going to let that ruin his morning. And this says the future home of Fume Corp. Something totally different was going to take care of that. Bruce found a little stream and settled down to fish. He breathed in the quiet, fresh air. Then he took out some bait. Yoink! Or at least he thought he did. Did you see that? They got Bruce's bait. Bruce took out more bait. Yoink! Something fishy was happening while Bruce was fishing. Bruce doesn't look happy, does he? Bruce decided he'd had enough peace and quiet for one morning. He's in the water. Fishing just isn't working, is it? So he got back on his bike and started to ride home. What do you think's going to happen? But the crowd had grown. Bruce, you came back to save the forest. Now, no, get out of the way so I can, ouch, doink. And do you see what some of these signs say? Let me read them to you. One says, no more pollution. And this one says, I love beans. And this one says, no to Fume Corp. And the TV is there. Hello, concerned citizen. I'm Tad Fisher of Northwoods Nightly News. How do you feel right now? Right now, I'm hurt and I'm angry. There you have it, folks. This crying bear is feeling hurt and angry over the forest being torn down to make way for the Fume Corp factory. What? I'm not crying. This is going to be great for ratings. It would be even better if we could film you marching to town hall. Marching to town hall? That's a great idea, Bruce. We should march to town hall and demand to speak to the town council. So off they went. Come on, let's crash the meeting and give them the what for, but in a peaceful and civil way. Yeah, let's peaceful the snot out of them. Do you see them? They're like pushing Bruce along. Poor Bruce. The town council was not happy to have all these spectators at their official proceedings. What's all this then? We're in the middle of serious, important town-related business. I have the whipped cream for the fun day Sundays, sir. Do Sundays sound like important business? Mr. Town Manager, sir, the new factory will destroy our forest, pollute our water, and disrupt the ecosystem of Soggy Hollow. We can't allow them to build. Honk. Quiet, Bruce has something to say. I don't even want to be here. Bruce is right. None of us wants to be here, but we must because our forest is worth saving. This is highly unusual. We can't have you interrupt sensitive meetings of this nature. Sir, it's your turn for the hula hoop contest. Doesn't sound very serious, does it? I'm sorry, but Fume Corp bought the land legally and can build what they want. Unless you have some sort of legal argument, the forest will be cut down and the factory will be built. Ruth sat down defeated. The mice sat down disappointed. The geese sat down to eat sandwiches because that's her favorite thing to do. But all they found was an empty lunchbox and 2 beetles. These are the very rare and possibly non-existent cobblestone tiger beetles. Bruce, where did you find these? In a stream in the woods. Blasted bugs ruined my morning and stole my lunch. Mr. Town Manager, Bruce has proven that the forest is one of the only known homes to the very rare and possibly non-existent cobblestone tiger beetle. Oh my goodness. Therefore, our forest is home to an endangered species and must be protected. So there. Well, I suppose that is the law, but we were very busy with big grown-up town planning things at the moment. Sir, I just canceled this afternoon's official indoor pool party session. Fine. No factory. Bruce saved the forest. Bruce saved the planet. The crowd cheered as it left town hall. It was a big win for Soggy Hollow. We did it. Now that you've saved the forest, what are you going to do next? What do you think Bruce is going to do next? I'm going to bed. After a long nap, Bruce returned to the very rare and possibly non-existent cobblestone tiger beetles. He returned them to their home and found a new fishing spot. And look, there's nobody to bother him. And the forest, it became a protected wildland for all to enjoy. And the sign says, "Welcome to Bruce Wildland Park, home to the largest population of now less than rare and actually existent cobblestone tiger beetles, and 1 grumpy bear." The end. So, do you think Bruce wants a park named after him? Do you think Bruce wants people where he fishes? Let me know and come in and check out this book. I'd love to see you. I will be back with another brand new book to share. So until then, everyone have a great couple days. Come and visit me. Bye for now.